In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a waiting list on Shopify. Start by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to the Apps section. From there, visit the Shopify App Store and search for terms like waitlist or pre-order to find apps designed for this exact purpose. Look for apps with clear descriptions, recent positive reviews, and a free trial, so you can test functionality before committing. Pay attention to compatibility with your theme and whether the app requires extra permissions. Choosing an app that offers customization and email automation will save time later. Once you've selected an app, install it and follow the on-screen setup instructions. Most apps will guide you through basic configuration immediately after installation. Allow any necessary permissions and connect the app to your store. Use the app's onboarding prompts to select default settings, and take advantage of templates if they're provided. If the app includes a free trial, use this period to experiment with settings so you're confident before the public sees the waitlist. After installation, configure the waitlist form itself. Customize visual elements like colors, fonts, and text so the form matches your brand and looks native on your site. Decide which products or collections should display the waitlist option. Many apps allow you to apply the form to individual product pages or entire collections. Keep form fields minimal to reduce friction. Typically, name and email are sufficient, and add an optional note field only if you need extra context from customers. Include a short explanatory sentence so customers understand why they're joining the list and when they might expect availability. Next, embed the waitlist form where you want it to appear. The app will usually provide code snippets and iframe, or step-by-step instructions to add the form to product pages or a dedicated landing page. If you're placing it on product pages, check how it looks on desktop and mobile to ensure proper alignment. If you're using a landing page, create a clear headline and a visible call to action to capture signups. Use preview and testing features to confirm the form works before making it live. Finally, set up automated notifications so customers are informed when a product becomes available. Configure email templates, update the sender name to match your store, and include helpful details like restock dates or links to the product page. Test the notification flow by signing up yourself and verifying delivery and content. Monitor signups through the app dashboard so you can follow up manually if needed. With these steps completed, your Shopify store will be ready to collect interested buyers and turn demand into sales.